Okay, yes, good day. Um, Today I've got a very quick question, um, which is quite a common question in the IEB, ISC. Yeah, it's a very common question in physics, which is as follows. Mm, it says here, if the kinetic energy is doubled, the the kinetic energy of an object is doubled, what happens to the velocity? Or the question might say the velocity of the object increases by a factor of what? Right. So if you get a question like that, and they ask that the velocity increases by what factor when the kinetic energy is doubled, it means the best approach is to make the velocity the subject formula, right? Right. And then we check what happens when we double the kinetic energy. All right. So I started here. That's how you go about it. You can just call it E or EK. Let's leave it as EK. Kinetic energy is half mv squared. That's the formula. So that implies that V squared, if you make V squared that formula, it's equal to the two cross multiplies to the side, and then you have 2 EK over M, right? Which now makes, if you want to make V the substitute formula, you see that the velocity is equals to double the kinetic energy E over M, the square root of that, the square root of that. So the approach with this question, sometimes the various questions, sometimes they say what happens to the gravitational acceleration when the mass is doubled, the mass of a planet is doubled, or even what happens to the electric field when the distance between the charges is halved. All those questions, we will approach them in this manner. So in this case, what you need to do is, this is the expression for V. Now you must now say, if the kinetic energy is doubled, what happens to V? So with the new V, we are going to call it V new. So I got V new there. It will be equals to the square root of 2 EK, but EK is now doubled. Can you see the 2 there? Over M. So now, after having done that, the aim is to make sure that this expression there matches this one. So there are two methods that I'm going to take. The first method, let me put it here. I call it the space here. Let me put one, I call it the division method. Division method. Right? Then the other method that you can use is called it is my calling it. It's called I call it the big eyes method. Right. So let's start with the big eyes. I think it's a lot easier. If you look now, if you compare these two expressions, this one you can actually read. I want them to match, so I can rewrite this as V new equals this. I take out the square root of 2 there, because so that times, it is mathematically correct, then the square root of 2 EK over M. Right? I'm sure I can see that. Now, if you look at this, this is V. This is V. Right? That's why I say try to make sure that they match mathematically. So that means that your V new, am I right? So V new, using the big I's method, is equal to square root of 2. This is V, so it comes and replaces this. So it is equal to square root of 2V. So it means that the velocity increases by a factor of square root of 2. Okay, square root of 2 is more than 1, so it actually increases by a effect of square root of 2. Okay, so this, I've used the big I's method. If you are using the division method, you have to get V divided by V. Then you take the expressions that you got, our V new was square root of 2 times square root of 2 times dk over m, all that under square root sign. Now I divide that by v, which is square root of 2. Yeah, the pen doesn't write very well. Yeah? Can I? It's not seem to write a lot. Maybe if I do this, does it see better? And then I pull this one this way. Yeah, it's a lot better. Okay, if you divide now by square root of 2ek over m, and these two will cancel, so you still get to the same answer. Maybe can I repeat this one here? It's not clear there. Let me do the division method. If I put it here, I think it will be very, very clear. If I put the division method here, it will be v, yeah, v over v new over v is equal to square root of 2, yeah, times square root of 2 ek over m, that is the v new over square v over v, which is square root of 2 ek over m. And then obviously this cancels, and then this cancels, and then we have v new equals square root of 2v. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this. Please subscribe to my channel. Please strike the likes. Please, I want to push more and more and more so that we can pass our physics. Thank you. I'll be back again.